Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video I will explain how to make Mizo Bai, a delicious and nourishing vegetable stew from Mizoram. This traditional dish is a staple, known for its wholesome ingredients and unique flavors. We'll be using a variety of fresh, seasonal vegetables, along with special additions like fermented soybean paste or a touch of baking soda, which give Bai its distinctive taste. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal. Now let's get our ingredients ready. First, thoroughly wash and chop your chosen vegetables, such as potatoes, beans, and cauliflower, into roughly 1-inch pieces. Next, prepare your aromatics. Slit 4 or 5 green chilies, mince about 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Finally, wash and drain 2 tablespoons of rice, which will help thicken our stew beautifully. To begin cooking, pour 4 to 6 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add the harder vegetables, such as potatoes and beans, and let them simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, introduce your minced ginger, garlic, and slit chilies, along with 1 tablespoon of fermented soybean paste or half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add any remaining softer vegetables and continue cooking until everything is tender. Once your Mizo Bai is cooked to perfection and the vegetables are tender, taste and adjust the salt as needed. This delightful dish is best served hot, either as a wholesome, comforting soup on its own or as a flavorful accompaniment to plain steamed rice. For those who enjoy variations, you can also incorporate ingredients like fermented pork, smoked pork, or even bamboo shoots to add another layer of authentic flavor. Enjoy your homemade Mizo Bai.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.